This is a disk image, similar to an ISO, but created by Active Disk Image. You need their specific software to mount it and get your files out. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the tool. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic ADI file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. We can trace the origins of the ADI extension back to the disk image file specification. The creation process employed the Active Disk Image backup file syntax. The ADI file is a highly proprietary disk image file created by Active Disk Image software. It functions as a complete, compressed, and encrypted copy of a hard drive partition or a logical disk volume, used primarily for system backup and data recovery. Developed by Elsoft Technologies Inc., the format is closed source and optimized for forensic and recovery scenarios. The file's integrity relies on the software's proprietary indexing and compression scheme. It is inaccessible without the Active Disk Image application, which is required to correctly mount or restore the data. The most trusted opener for the ADI file is consistently Active Disk Image from Elsoft Technologies Inc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows typically recognizes only surface-level details, so restoring or reading the image requires dedicated tools. Let's check the software manifest. Right-click your ADI file and select Open With. Test Active Pre-Disk Image if it is installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different program. We are looking for the right interpreter. If your ADI file will not open, do not worry. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, verify connectivity and credentials. Ensure the domain controller has internet connectivity and ports 443, 389, and 636 are allowed, and verify the AD Administrator Service account password. Next, reset the sync agent. Stop the AD Sync Agent service, manually reset the password in AD users and computers, and restart the service on all domain controllers. Finally, check configuration files. Manually review and compare the user root DN value in the Windows registry with the associated configuration file. If resource-limited tools have proven insufficient, the ADI file now needs the final decryption option. A more dependable professional method is the best way forward, though not guaranteed. When the specialized tools failed, the problem is deeper. Your best option is a universal program like FileMagick. It handles hundreds of formats and can often access content even when Windows cannot. You can download it at filemagick.com. Like, subscribe and fix those files. It's that simple. Look out for the next advanced guide.